Hi, I'm Chef Raphael. Today is an exciting, delicious meal. It's Matumbo, and I'm serving it today with ugali and some greens. Now, Matumbo is stripes, but today I'm making it extra special, extra delicious by using the all new and improved tropical heat curry powder. So this is probably one of my most popular recipes that I've posted on my Facebook page. So today I'm going to show you how to make matumbo. It's also called tripes. This is already boiled. So other ingredients is bell peppers. You can also use green one or all three of them. I have sliced onions. And now with the onions, I'm also going to add some sliced ginger. And then to finish it all up, I'll add some chopped coriander. Now the flavor that is coming, that you are getting it from the curry powder. Remember, this is the new and improved curry powder by Tropical Heat. What I like about it, you can actually smell the richness of the flavor. And what happens when you're working with any herbs or spices, it's all about the smell. So I decided to show you how to cut it as well, because how I'm going to cut it has to be, see, I've cut the vegetables into strips, so that's the same kind of cut that we want to apply. What you're going to try and do today is to make it more colorful and interesting and more gourmet looking. So it's ready, and you can see when I was choosing, I tried and made it a variety of the intestines. It's actually the intestines, the offals. So I have different textures and also have different colors. So like I said, this is a very quick dish to make. The first thing I want to do is to fry the vegetables. I'll start with the onion and the garlic. Actually, onion and ginger. You can also add garlic, but the garlic, I would advise that you add it later after the onion has already started browning. So it's a little bit on the golden brown side, so still have some color of the onion, but I need that look, that golden brown color, not too much. And then at this stage I add the curry powder. It's about, for this amount I need about 2 tablespoons, because I'm going for a rich curry flavor. Now if you have some chili, or you like some chili, you can add it at this stage. And then now I will add the meat. Now at this stage I'll add the peppers. See, it's about the colors, it's about the appearance. Now the good thing about chopped tomato, it will give some moisture, a moisture that I need for this. So that's half of a big tomato. So at this stage what I will do is add a little bit of water and then cover it. So now I'll cover it and let it simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. It's really nice, very colorful. And then finally chopped coriander, and that completes the color palette. And then turn off. So I've already served my ugali and some greens, and now the meat. So there you have it, complete all-round meal. Of course, what you eat it with also depends on what you like. It's just that I think this combination of ugali and matumbo, it's perfect. Remember, I'm using the all new, the improved tropical heat curry powder. It makes the meals more delicious, and I hope when you try yours, you let me know. And that has been today's show. Look forward to your feedback. See you next time.